Hello there and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how the new POI feature works on the DJI Inspire 2. Now this was just added to the Crystalsky monitor on Friday with firmware version 02.06.06.00. So first of all, make sure your Inspire 2 and Crystalsky is on the latest firmware. To use it, you simply go into the additional flight modes, scroll across to POI. Once you click on that, it will bring up the screen that tells you what the stick actions are. Now I'm not going to run through these, but it's worth taking a few moments just to get your head around what each of these do. Click past that and it now gives us two options. The first is the traditional POI. So you set the position of the center by the current position of the drone. So you would fly it over the top of the item you wanted to go around, click apply, and then you would move the aircraft back from that position to set the radius, just like I'm doing here now, and then that means that actually then you're ready to start and the POI would begin, and it would then begin to orbit around that center point as the POI continued. The second method that DJI have added is via a pin on the map. So you would go back into the menu, click on point of interest, skip past the message and select set POI on the map. When you do that, it will jump into the map screen and you are then able to zoom into the area that you're flying over. Now what you now do is tap on the position on the map that you want the center of the POI to be. So for this, I'm going to tap just over that bush there, and whilst it might be hard to see, it has placed a little pin drop on that point. If I do it by there, you can see that the pin drop is now moved to there. However, if I put it back to there, that then will be the center of the POI. You then set next and it will automatically calculate the radius for you, and what that is the difference between where your aircraft currently is and the POI that you have tapped on the map. And you would then simply click start. The POI would begin and it would do the usual orbit around that as it would before. So basically, whilst the original POI was simply fly over the top of the item and then move away once you'd set the center, with this you can also just set the position on the map with a single tap of your finger and then the POI will begin from there. I'm just going to stop it just to make sure it's finished, and that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, please subscribe to the channel and I'll do another one again soon.